So when you go to Manus, you go to connectors and you go click on settings and you click on the connectors and add connectors. You will be able to see the Meta Ads Manager because the Manus is also owned by Meta. Now you will be able to get the insights, optimize your ads continually using the Manus itself, right? So here is what it has been doing, right? Like, see the number of ads, 14 ad accounts selected, campaigns, like trade visits, like, the 17 results, right? All the active and paused campaigns, right? So everything is accessible. You can look at what are the kind of audience you have been getting, as well as kind of optimization suggestions you can get um, about the Instagram post. Like, I've connected to your Meta account with TradeWiz and retrieved your campaign structure. However, I encountered an Meta Ads API is not returning performance data, no recent ad activity, all that, right? So, but it's able to access directly using this MCP server, right? I've successfully connected to Meta Ads account, retrieved your campaign. No recent ad spends. That's not true. Um, okay. Because I can see the number of leads being generated here currently on the ads. So it should bring up all those things. I will just say um, all ads that are currently active. I will give the snapshot and I will say, um, get this right. So copy this and then I will give it to it and say, so check for these ads, right? What Manus also does is like, it will act as a for everything that we do, like, the software skills, like 2000 software skills that we created, right? It spawns a computer, that means in cloud, and it allocates this work to that. It allocates this agent, starts a computer and starts working on that. Okay. So now looking at the meta ad, it's able to um, like perfect. I can see meta ads performance for divine success for Yashaswi, open AI agent, this one iceberg psychometric, right? All this. So let me scroll for a better view, capture all the data, confirmation with this single screenshot contains ads you want to be included. Yes. Okay. So I don't want to do that. I want you to connect using the Meta Ads connector, right? So which is already connected. So Meta Ads connector, MCP, and fetch the metrics, performance metrics, right? Okay, it is able to see the active campaigns. I retrieved campaign data and active for last 30 days. I will organize. Okay, fantastic. Hmm. Now, the work that the digital marketing people were doing is currently being done by this, like where you can give your instructions and it will reliably uh, start fetching the data for you, getting the metrics. And guess what? There are agents which can set the ad up for you as well, right? The my open flow agent is able to set this ad account ads within 5 to 10 minutes as well, right? So on the Meta, create a Python script to extract and organize all performance data from the MCP results. Who would have thought? Like, this is the computer I was talking about, like, right? So when you see this is all running in one computer. This is a computer allocated the Sandbox, and it is processing all that information here, right? If you see the commands that are being executed, the scripts that are being run, um, it's like basically giving the agent a system and saying like, operate in this one, right? If you if you see here the Meta ads, right? So it's able to operate on its own and get all the campaign like through the this OpenFlow agent as well. Okay, so it worked for over 10 minutes and it generated everything. So let's look at what it has generated. And what we gave is to get the insights of this campaign and as well as the performance metrics and create the suggestions like optimization suggestions, right? So it read through all the campaigns, it got all the data, spend, CTR, CPM, high variation and everything. So it worked on all the slides. So let's look at what these slides have to. I mean, this is the most beautiful representation of the Meta ads that I have seen. Right. So look at this. This makes no sense for me about all this, but when I go and look at this, it makes it like, for a novice or somebody who is very much not techie, this makes me as a user have some insights, right? So, yeah, it's very strong, like, generated strong reach and engagement over last 30 days. The account is running 3 active ads, spend, total impression, active campaigns. So, executive summary, efficiency gap, the efficiency, the cost, CPM comparison is lower is better. That means the first campaign is better, and the has superior quality indicators, above average quality ranking, um, psychometric test ad. So cost CPM is ₹5. I mean, like CPC is 0.58. Crazy CTR, right? High cost, there's this 1.74% and ₹6 CPC, right? Um, the breakdown effect explains why higher CPM doesn't always mean worse performance, um, right? Marginal efficiency and everything. Um, budget reallocation strategy, campaign audit, like I mean, diagnosis trigger that may the massive cost difference between these two campaigns warrants immediate investigation into targeting efficiency, right? Um, fantastic conversion data analysis, implementation. So it's already given me what for me to do. Target the targeting at audit, launch with a new creative test, extract data, optimization, reallocate budget. Then we shift the 50% spend, ROS, right? Like efficiency, everything. Like, and if I want, I can ask Manus to go ahead and implement this, right? If you are watching this and if you are seeing this, you should be able to see a golden opportunity here. How many ads are there, or how many people are running ads? If you offer them a better quality leads or better performance for their ads through this AI, right? How many would say, of course, I would want, right? You do you take a one client, work for them, and then bring the performance, document it, and then um, add that as your service. Like, uh, that becomes AI digital marketing, right? Like AI add efficiency, right? Or I can even ask it to go ahead and optimize it or create ad and all that. So hope you learned something out of it and hope it was valuable for you. And um, um, go ahead, apply this and uh, get your mind blown like with the opportunities that are opening up. Also, I'm starting the AI Prosperity Project March 11th. Many such um, m- many such mind blowing experiments I do, which is going to help us monetize like to $2,000 to $5,000 projects, maybe outreach, maybe ads, maybe lead generation, maybe projects, apps, right? Many things, many opportunities have opened up because of AI. And if you are somebody who is like woken up to utilize this and become utilize and want to be prosperous in this era, this is the way to go. Looking forward for you, for all of us to be prosperous in this era. See you. Bye bye.